Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send cryptocurrency from your Exodus wallet. First, open your Exodus wallet and choose the digital asset you want to send. Next, tap the Send button, which will guide you through the transaction. Carefully input the recipient's wallet address. Double-checking this step is crucial. Then, enter the precise amount of crypto you wish to transfer. This straightforward process ensures your funds reach their destination securely and efficiently. Now let's focus on the critical details. You can paste the recipient's wallet address or use the QR code scanner for accuracy. Always double-check that the address is correct before proceeding. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. You can specify this in the cryptocurrency's units, like 1 Bitcoin, or in its equivalent fiat value, such as $50. Exodus will then display the network fee, which is typically very small. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details. This includes the recipient's address, the amount you are sending, and the network fee. Ensure everything is precisely as you intend. Exodus provides a clear summary for your convenience. Once you are completely confident, tap the Send or Confirm button. Remember, cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so careful review is paramount. After confirming, your transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain network. You can track its status directly within your Exodus wallet, usually under the History tab. Confirmation times vary, but many transactions complete within a few minutes. For more detailed tracking, you can use the transaction ID provided by Exodus on a public block explorer. This ensures you have a complete record and transparency for all your sent funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.